Oh, oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, there's something about you.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I transform this storage cube into this beautiful nightstand. Let's get right into the video. So quick backstory on why I decided to do this project. I have this storage bed from IKEA that does not allow for nightstands. If I had a nightstand there, I would not be able to access my clothing that's in the drawer. So I had to come up with a creative way to have a nightstand and be able to use my storage bed. Okay, so first thing you need to do is assemble the cube. Am I the only one that hates the instruction manuals from IKEA? It's just pictures. It really doesn't tell you anything. So to help me build this cube, I watched a YouTube video and saw someone else build it, and then I followed those steps. It was very easy to do. So I searched on Pinterest for a while, deciding on what type of legs I wanted for the nightstand, and I decided to go with these hairpin legs. I got them in 16 inches and I purchased them from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box below. They are a very good quality. So I'm using 4 hairpin legs per nightstand, and I'm just basically pasting them around the 4 edges, and then I will drill them in. So I did not want to leave the legs black because I do not have black furniture. I decided to spray paint them silver with this Rust-Oleum spray paint that I purchased from Home Depot. I guess I was being very impatient, so I decided to blow dry the legs to make them dry faster. I had a really difficult time putting those screws inside this cube. No idea what this cube is made out of, but it is so hard to get a nail through there. Unfortunately, my boyfriend was not home at the time, so I was struggling by myself. I eventually got them all in. I started with the drill and then tightened it with the screwdriver, and they were able to go in. So I found that it is so much easier to just use the holes that are in the inside of those brackets and not the ones that are on the edges, because that's where the sides of the cubes meet. So just use those 2 holes that are in the front in that L shape to screw those screws in. And this is what your bottom should look like. Also, try not to screw the screws in all the way. If you do go in a little bit deeper, it will come through on the inside. So I'm just showing you that my screws were perfect and they did not come through on the inside of the cube. And that is it. This is how the nightstand turned out. I love it. It was so easy to put together, and now I can use my storage under my bed and have a place for my water bottle and my cell phone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.